Any tips on for being a wholesome daddy? You know what's funny about that? We'll just start the stream. You know what's actually kind of funny about that is I don't have any great tips. Again, being transparent, there are some times where I let my frustrations get the best of me and I'm no longer wholesome. I'm just kind of like angry, you know, like I need to get things done. Not fun to be around Alex. But I think the best thing that grounds me afterwards is like reflecting on what you do. I mean, mind you, it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to learn from your mistakes and stuff. I understand that. One thing I try to do too is not let things go to my head. Stay grounded with who you are. I don't think anyone, I mean, like, yes, you can do great things in your life and you can be proud of those things, but I think it's also very important to like stay humble. And I think that kind of leads into the wholesomeness. You could be the best at something and I think you still have stuff to learn. And I think the moment you stop doing that is the moment you've kind of lost. Yeah, it's okay to be angry. It's okay to be like sad. It's okay to be frustrated. It's just being a good person, like going forward. Because I see so many people who are like really good at what they do and then just assholes to everybody. I actually haven't even opened this yet. There we go. Ooh. Oh wow, it still has the film on the back and everything. Oh, I think I have to go into the other case to get the gaskets and stuff, don't I? I don't remember where I put those in which box. I'll get those later. That diff, dude, it looks good. I like the purple on this. Oh, I think it'll look good on Mecha 01 too. Ooh, Black Lotus would look good. I really like the way this looks. That curve on the back here, it looks nicer in this purple. It looks really good. Super, super good, dude. Taro would slap. Taro would look good on this too. The stickers are also very cute, Snowmo. I like the stickers. Keep the stickers. Thank you, dude. I think I know where we're gonna put one of them. I'm gonna put them on my, I've been sticker bombing a case that I have. I've been using Frost Switch way too often lately. It's a good set. I really like this though. The Beta60. Also designed in Canada, which is awesome. Looks good. So it's not too much different from the Beta TKL. Obviously, this is just like I think Snowmo worded a shrunken down Beta TKL. But it looks good. Let's put the feet on. I really like the way this turned out.
Hi, Pop.
Mixie, thank you so much for the 8 months. Thank you, dude. Number 1 Rev 2? I have yet to build a number 1 Rev 2. TKL. It's got hit with a shrink ray. You guys remember that old show called Honey, I Shrunk the Kids? Or movie, I think it was called. More Snowmo boats? Dude, I'm a big fan of Snowmo. If this sounds anything like the other, like the Beta TKL, when your battery dies while filming, then reaches for spare and it's dead as well. Yeah, I have a bad habit of not charging things. That's actually why I got the wireless charger for my phone. You know, oh, I forgot this guy's the UPS story. So they owe me like $250 because they double charged me on like something. So they said 3 weeks ago that they were going to refund me via credit card because that's how I paid. And I was like, okay, thank you. They didn't. They actually sent me a check in the mail for $50. So I messaged them again today and yeah, they ended up, yeah, by check. And I messaged them and I told them about how frustrated I was about this whole situation because like they're holding $200. So this is basically what happened. They're just like, yeah, we don't know what you're talking about. We sent you $250. And I was like, well, you might have forgot the 2 in front of the 50 because it's just $50. So after like basically an hour and a half on the phone, they've come to the conclusion that I'm still wrong. And the most they're going to do is give me like credit on like another shipment I have to make. But I don't use UPS. Like it's only receiving. So I have to call them back again because they don't want to seem to refund me $200, which is really annoying. And I don't exactly know what I'm going to do, but geez, dude. Okay, we'll peel this off at the end because I get enjoyment out of peeling this stuff, but we're going to do this at the end. We're good. Mecha's looking nice on the right board. It pops. Yeah, I've seen it on some good colored boards, but I think it needs a good board. or else the set itself's a little too punchy. Like, you need to have more of a boring colored keyboard, unfortunately. In this case here, it's black. But it does have purple accent on the bottom, which is cool. But you do need something really dark or just out of your way boring. Imagine people going out of the way to lube an extra stab to have a full-size right shift. I know, right? Who wants to lube stabilizers? Cute switches. Very cute. The springs, to note the springs on these, there are stock springs, very inconsistent. I think these were older JWK switches. Very inconsistent springs. You guys want to, hey, chat, do you guys want to do firm or soft? Which one do you guys want? Firm? Everyone wants firm? I'm down for firm, chat. Today feels like a firm day. Huh? What plate material do we have today, Alex? Polycarb. I think it was the only one in the box. Only issue is raw alu chips and scratches. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with the world of raw aluminum, but usually I hate it, but in that case, didn't look too bad. Didn't look too bad at all. Is there going to be a Windows keyless Beta 60? That is, again, a Mr. Snowmo question. The purple's gorgeous. Yes. I like purple boards, too. This would look really good with white on black. I know it's a cop-out to say that, chat. I understand. But white on black never misses. Can you suggest keycaps that go well with frosted acrylic? Literally anything. It's just like polycarbonate. Anything usually goes with those. There's such a good... Acrylic's such a good choice to go with if you're unsure about keycaps. Like, such a good choice. You can do so much with it, dude. And it's because of that, you know, that gray that you get, you know, like that clear frost sometimes you get with acrylic boards. Everything goes good with them, dude. Painful, low profile keys are a pain to use for 8 hours plus. You know what though? I didn't mind the MacBook keyboard. I still say to this day, I actually don't mind it. It's not awful. I hate the other keyboards, like from Dell and stuff like that. I think those are awful. But I did not mind the MacBook. I honestly don't think it was completely awful. In-ear name, these are Mangered Zens Up. My ears just start feeling kind of weird after IEMs. A lot of people say this. I mean, like, I love and hate talking about IEMs because it's very personal, right? Like, finding a good, comfortable IEM is very personal because everyone's ears are so different. I say this with the utmost seriousness. It's all about the tip. All about the tips you use. So, ooh, I can already tell this is gonna be nice. Keyboards go in the dishwasher once a month. Keep it nice and sparkly. Huh? All right, let's take a look at this. What do you guys think? Did it turn out good? Also, we'll peel this off, okay, chat? If it even wants to grab here, I'm struggling. Ooh, slower. I think that was just right. There we go. Let's take a look at the side profile, chat. Oh yeah, this does work with this keycap set really well. And again, this is like a bit of a curved side profile as well, kind of like what we saw on the Sonnet. So it kind of refracts light a little bit differently. You can see it kind of gradually fades up from a darker color to a lighter color as the angle changes. So you can see there is an angle to this, as you can see here. So very, very pretty looking. Here's the back of the keyboard here as well. Very, very nice looking. Good USB-C placement. Very, very low, which is usually pretty ideal. I find a lot of people really like the lower USB-C placements. Again, the other side. Okay, shall we see how this sounds is the real question. This is a prototype, so I think there are a few keys in this that don't work. I think he said the right control or something like that. But we're about to do a sound demo on this. This is the Beta60 using the firmer gaskets with a polycarbonate plate. I don't remember what these switches were. I think they're called Lilac ores or something. They're old JWK switches. I didn't film them, even though they probably could have been filmed, but I didn't bother. I did use GS2 on the switches, a very light coat, because these were already very smooth. Thank you, Trizzy. I appreciate the prime. Thank you, dude. All right, let's see what these sound like, chat. Ooh. The alphas are very clean. No plate foam at all. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's polycarbonate compared to the Beta TKL that we did, which had a little bit more of the higher end, but no foam, no nothing. But I actually really like this. This sounds very clean. Okay, the backspace could use a little bit of love on the stabilizer, which I'll do here in a bit. You can tell even the mods are a bit quieter using PC. Oh, what the hell did I just open up here? Dude, I think you're getting rated right now. Hi, Yuri. How you doing, dude? Yeah, I really like this too. Snow, I like both of the TKL and the 60, dude. These are both really solid. So this is the Beta TKL. So this is gasket and this is also gasket. This is a different plate though. You can, dude, listen to the difference between the plates. So again, this is the same line of keyboards. The PC plate definitely has a more subdued sound signature. So again, we'll do. Now I know one is a long pull switch, but you can hear the plate too. You can even tell on the spacebar, the mods too, you can really tell. Lilac's beautiful. And then we'll do this again here. Oh, wait, did I have the music on this entire time? My bad, chat. So the Lilac one's using the aluminum plate. Oh no, it's plateless. My mistake. Literally plateless. I am completely wrong on this completely. Then why is it so poppy? That sounds really fucking good for plateless. This was the half plate. Yeah, I think this was the half plate. Oh, that's why it's the half plate. Oh, it is the aluminum half plate on the mods. That's why you can hear it on the spacebar so much. So it's the half plate on the spacebar. So you can hear the half plate here, and you get a bit of a deeper sound on the alphas. It's still very poppy because of long pull. You guys like the Lilac though? I like the Lilac more than I like the purple. Oops. Lilac is a lot nicer than the purple to me. Actually, you know what? Both of them look nice. I like the Lilac more though. Not even just sound. I just like this. Even with the PC plate, I'm still a big fan of this. Wouldn't be my first choice for PC, but I'm very, very happy with this. This turned out great. Okay, which one do you guys like the sound of more though? This is deeper for sure. Andrew, the Andrew's not on the desk though. TKL or 60? The bottom one? I think you guys like long pull switches then. I think you guys are long pull switch likers. Nothing wrong with that. Me too. I love the sound of a long pull switch. 60, but I'm biased. I like the 62. I think both are great. This is a true statement. Long pulls do be pretty hot. It's true. I'm a long pull man. Don't blame you, Cancerous. Take care, everyone. I love you guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day. But bye, everyone. Love you guys. Take care, everybody.